tutorial of the double-sided ninja star. So for the double-sided ninja star, you want one A4 size sheet. With this, you can make the double-sided ninja star with different colors, but I am using white color. So for making the double-sided ninja star, you need to take this corner till here and to make a perfect triangle, just like this. Make a good crease. Now we'll cut the extra piece. Now you will get something like this. You open this part, you will see a line like this. You cut off the extra part over here. Just like this. You will get something like this square with a line. And then you fold the paper in half, just like this, and then make a good crease. Just like this. Now you tear the page in half, like from here. Now this goes in separate part, and as you see these both parts, so you keep one here and fold it in half like this. Make a good piece again. Now you see this line. Now the side which has no crease should go up to the center, and the side which has crease will go down. Now you do the same with the other part. Now just like this, and fold it in half. Open it again, and thus the side which has crease will go down and into the center, and the other side will go up. Now the first part, we will flip it, and this corner will touch this corner, just like this, and do the same with the other corner. Now you see you get the S over here, and you flip this again. Now take this part and flip it this corner and this corner, just like this. Now you get a Z, just like this, S and Z. You take the Z, flip it over the S, just like this. You get something like this. So you take this part and you see a little pocket. You put this one inside this pocket. Now you do the same with this side. You see a pocket inside this. Put this side in the pocket. Now you flip the double side ninja star. Do the same with another side, just like this. Now you get something like this. Now do the same with another side. Punch it inside. Now you just press all the corners so you get a good shape. Just like this. And here you go. You have a double-sided ninja star. That's all, guys. This is the double-sided ninja star, and please subscribe, share, and leave a comment. So, and press the bell icon. That's all for today. Bye bye.